We were on regression analysis. You need to know the definition of a regression analysis. After knowing the definition of regression analysis, you need to go and know the steps involved in the regression analysis. After that, you have the evaluation of the regression models, whereby you need to know the 3 dimensions. Are evaluated with 3 dimensions, which are the economic plausibility, the goodness of fit, and specification of analysis. But we are going back to the line of regression. The line of regression consists of 2, whereby y on x, where it forms y is equals to a plus bx, and then we have the regression of x on y, whereby x is equals to a plus by. The term that is going to change when you're using a y coming to x is just the same form equation, but you need to be keen. So, like an example, use the least square formula of fit to fit a regression linear through 1, 3, 3, 5, and 5, 6. So, I'm going to do for you how it's supposed to be done, and then when you are going to form the line of regression of y is equals to a plus bx, and the regression of x is equals to a plus by. Yeah. So, example 1, this is what I'm going to do. You need to have your x. You need to have your x. You need to have your y. So, our x is 1, 3, and 5. Now, this is a short example that I'm going to give you. Then we have those with bigger numbers. 1, 3, and 5. Then our y, we got 3, 5, and 6. I'm doing this question. So, the next process that you're going to do, since you're going to find the line of regression y on x and x on y. We have got 2 lines of regression, the y on x and x on y. So you're going to start with number 1, the y on x, which is y is equals to a plus bx, and then x on y is equals to x is equals to a plus by. Now, since I want to show you how to find these ones, okay? After x, y, because you're going to do this question over here, x, y, then the next one will come, we have x, y, whereby you take 1 times 3, it will be 3, 15, and 30. Then we got the x squared, which is going to be 1, it's going to be 9, it's going to be 25, and then we have the y squared, which is 9, 25, 36. So we are going to find their total. We're going to find the total of x, the total of y, the total of xy, the total of x squared, and the total of y squared. Okay, so when you find the total of x, you get 9, the total of y, you get 14, the total of, just a minute, the total of, the total of x, the total of y, the total of xy, the total of x squared and y squared. So when you want to find, let's say you've given the line of regression of y on x, we said y is equals to a plus bx. So what you do now, we are going to find b first, which is n summation of xy minus summation of y summation of x over n summation x squared minus x power 2. Now that when you find b, and our n here, there are how many? 1, 2, 3. So you write, just a minute, you write 3, Our xy total is 48 into brackets 48 minus some y times x. So 9 times 14. So 9 times 14 over our n is 3. Our x squared is 35 minus 9 power 2. So we start from the upper part. 3 times 48. What's the total? 144. So you write 144 minus 9 times 14. You get 126. So it will be 126 over 3 times 35 is 105. You get 105 minus 9 power 2. In short, 9 power 2, which is 81. You write 81. So you take 144 minus 126. 144 minus 126. You get 18. So it will be 18 over 105 minus 81 here, 24. So it will be over 24. So, sorry, this is 24. 24. So, 18 over 24 divided by 24. What is this? 3 power 4, change it, 0.75. So it's equals to 0.75. Now that's our B.